just made it here to the Deerhurst Lodge in Muskoka. It's the 2019 Ontario On-Site Wastewater Association convention. What that means is it's a convention for engineers, installers, designers, basically everyone in the wastewater industry. We hear about new technologies, new ways of doing things, kind of going over maybe some new treatment unit systems, lots of new technology as well in the industry. I'll flip around, show a little bit of the room, and let's do it. It's nice out. I'll bring you guys in and try to get some footage of what's going on at the conference today. Big shout out to Terry Davidson. His speech was very good. There you go. OOWA, that's the Ontario On-Site Wastewater Association convention. This year it's held for the second year at Deerhurst Resort in Huntsville. We actually just finished up a talk with Eric, who is actually an inspector for RVCA. So shout out to Eric. Very, very well put together speech, lots of information in those, and just kind of generally in all, we've been having these talks, these discussions. And a lot of what I'm seeing is a lot of progression in our industry, which is something that I really want to touch on with this channel in another video, but really kind of looking forward towards the future and really diving deep into what we do. It's not just putting septic systems in the ground. We're actually environmental care specialists. I mean, there's a lot that goes into what we're doing for the environment, and that's honestly the number one reason in what we're doing. So really interesting discussions here. Didn't film too much of what's going on here, so I'm kind of collaborating everything into one day. I just kind of snuck away here for 2 seconds, but I'll kind of wrap it all together in a bit of a video with some footage of what's going on. We actually drove right through Algonquin Park, which is, if you live in Ontario, you know it's beautiful. So I took a hyperlapse of that whole thing, so I'll put that all in this video. So sorry, not so much construction stuff lately, guys. It's just been crazy hectic, kind of going to shows and just a lot going on right now. Going on, guys? So I know that the video was cut a little short, and it is a shorter video. Basically, you know, the conference was an awesome time. It was good, but it wasn't really the place for me to film a bunch of material and kind of stick the camera in people's faces. So I really didn't want to do that. So I apologize to the subscribers that maybe want more of the equipment or longer videos. I'm with you guys 100%. That's exactly what I want as well, but I'm dealing with what I got right now, and right now the footage and the stuff that I'm doing is exactly what was in this video. So basically, you know, starting next week, and actually the end of this week, I have a really good video idea planned. It involves the dozer and the excavator. I don't want to talk for too long, because as everyone knows on this channel, that's always a problem of mine. I talk for too long. But guys, thanks for sticking with me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you are subscribing, make sure you're liking, make sure you're hitting thumbs up, heading over to our Instagram at KWC2000. Again, I understand the video was slower and whatnot, but I really wanted just to get it out there for maybe someone who is interested, and as well as talking more about the On-Site Wastewater Association. because it is something that's really important for what we do in business. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. See you on the next video because it's going to be a beauty.